Hey guys, Glenn here. If you're having an issue with your cigars not drawing properly, there could be a number of issues going on, but I'm going to show you a tool that will fix it instantly. You can get it on Amazon for really cheap. I'm going to show you it right now. Here she is. It comes just like this. I did open it up for you guys, so I'm not wasting your time. It comes in a sleeve for protection. I took the sleeve off to save time. It is out here. Alright, so very heavy duty, you could tell, alright? Very heavy duty. On one side, and you got 3 prongs, and then you can see there's no indentation in them at all. Now I'll show you the other side. So it just screws down like that, and boom, nice and compact. This is what I use all the time now. So this actually has these little grooves that if there's anything stuck in your cigar that you don't want in there, like a twig that's really making the flow not good, and it's not able to draw, then it'll, pull it out. So you push it in and then pull it out, and it'll pull out. Sometimes you got to do it 2 or 3 times to make sure that the draw is good, but it's going to increase your draw. In a cigar that's too wet or too tight, it's going to help you out a lot. I'll leave a link down in the description to an Amazon link where you can purchase this at the cheapest price I've found. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like to see content like this. Have a nice day.